Crustless Lemon Honey Cheesecake, which is perfect dessert for gluten-free, ketogenic, and healthy lifestyle. Let's make it. Bismillah. First, bring all these ingredients to room temperature. 8 ounces of cream cheese. 1/4 cup of raw honey. You can alternate with same amount of sugar. 1 egg. 1/4 cup of sour cream. You can alternate sour cream with same amount of yogurt. 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest. 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Whisk it all together until creamy and smooth. Add this mixture to 6 inches of springform pan, or into oven-proof small ramekins. Steam bake into water bath. For 25 to 30 minutes, on 350 Fahrenheit in preheated oven. Baking time also depends on size of your baking pan and size of your oven. After 30 minutes, cover and let it cool down completely in the refrigerator. Garnish with berries. Slices of lemons. For honey lemon glaze, mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. Brush with honey lemon glaze, or you can sprinkle some powdered sugar. Garnish and serve cold. I hope you will enjoy this delicious, healthy, and yummy dessert. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, share, and comment below. Thanks for watching.